Does your company always spend long days or even months looking for the right production partner? Does it often happen that the chosen manufacturer did not meet the delivery deadlines, which exposed your company to losses? Has it ever happened that the launch of a product took a long time and shifted the entire operational plan of the company? Raptor Manufacturing was created for companies looking for the right production partner for your business. Raptor was created for companies looking for fast and comprehensive manufacturing services. We understand how important and difficult it is to find the right manufacturer or supplier. Delays, low quality of final products delay the introduction of the product to the market or production, which generates losses in enterprises. Our smart factory has been designed to completely eliminate time losses in production processes and start production immediately after placing an order. You can choose from technologies such as industrial 3D printing, FDM, SLA, SLS, MJF, SLM, as well as cast molding, and CNC milling allows for a wide range of material and technical production possibilities. Simple and low series parts is ready in 24 hours. A dedicated team of engineers takes care of each order from start to finish. What is the ordering process like? Send an inquiry via the contact form on our website. You'll receive a cost-time offer. After approval, we start production, make test elements, and check their compliance with the design. Then we produce the proper elements, subject them to quality control, pack them safely for transport, and send them to the customer. And here it is. Your company has received the ordered parts and can start further business activities. It's simple, right? Go to www.raptor3d-technology.pl/en/contact and send us your inquiry. We're waiting for your project.